Opti mornings, everyone. It's me, Coach Team. And for today's video, I'll be sharing to you how to use the dealer's tracking system or the DTS. So this training video is your quick guide for One Opti mobile application. So once you are a member of One Opti, you will have an access to check your information online or through your using your mobile app. Okay, so let's get started. All right. Okay, so question is how to download the One Opti mobile app. Okay, so guys, it's really easy. Make sure you just have a Google Play Store, all right, on your phone or an Apple Store for Apple users. Okay, so this is where you can download the mobile app for One Opti. And all you need to do is just to search for the app and use the name One Optimum. Okay, so it's not One Opti or One Opti Lifestyles. No, it's not, but it's One Optimum. Okay, so just search for that. This is the icon that you will see on the store. Okay, so once you see that, just download it, install it. All right, and it's really quick and easy. It's just like 3 MB of space that you need to consume on your phone. All right, so once you install it, just open it, and then once you open it, this is actually what you will see on the right picture. Okay, so that's the One Opti mobile app. And this is the icon that you will see on your phone. All right. Okay, so what can you do on the mobile app or One Opti mobile app? Okay, so there's many things that you can do on your One Opti mobile app. You can do all your Opti transactions inside the mobile app, such as check your account dashboard and summary, register new, add and upgrade accounts, switch from one account to another easily, check your bonus summary, monitor your team points, unilevel and binary list as well as your team genealogy, encode and keep track of your unilevel point history, requests for encashment and keep track of past encashment history. You can also redeem fifth pair GCs and keep record of all encashments, update your account profile, bank account records, and update passwords too. You can also access your Opti accounts anytime, anywhere. All right. So basically, your One Opti mobile app, which is an added benefit for being an Opti global dealer, makes you enjoy your Opti business more at your convenience, literally anytime, anywhere, at no extra cost as long as you have access to internet or mobile data. Okay. So let's move on. All right. So how to log in on your One Opti mobile app. So it's really easy, guys. All right. So it's really easy. All you need to do is just to open the One Opti app. All right. So just enter your existing user ID and password and then click the login. All right. So you don't have to click register since your sponsor already did the registration for you. So all you need to do is to enter your username or user ID and password. So this is how it works. Okay. So just enter your user ID on the first box and then enter your password on the second box and then click on login. All right. So what you will see here is just the announcement. All right. So you may see this one or a different announcement. So all you need to do is just to click on OK, and that will close. And you will see your menu. All right. So this is what you will see. So just be familiarized with your Opti mobile app as it will play a major part of your Opti business moving forward. Okay. So you can scroll, you can click on the pictures or the icons there and understand the specific functions of each icons. So don't worry, guys. We will go to each icons there. So at least you know what to do or what will happen if you click on them. So what's inside the One Opti mobile app? Well, at the top left of it, you will see below the logo of One Opti. You will see a number there on the left, and on the right you will see your user ID. Okay, so username. Sorry, username. So on the top left, you will see your dealer number, your Opti dealer number, and your user ID. And then you will see the logout button. And then, all right, then you will also see the dashboard icon there. Okay, so if you click on the dashboard, right, if you click on dashboard, what you will see is this. So you will see your current balance, your current GC balance as well. All right. And then you can scroll down. Once you scroll down, or if you scroll down, you can see your picture there. You will also see the date of your registration, your username, your user ID number, your name, of course, the status of your account, the type of your account, your sponsor ID number, and your upline ID number. Okay, so we for Coach Hans protection, he just actually put something on it so that you won't see it. All right, but that's what you will see. So the date of your registration and everything. So basically, it's everything about you as an Opti member. Okay. All right. Next, let's go to accounts. All right. So on the account section, what you will see here are two icons only. So you will see the add account and the upgrade account. So for this section or for this icon, it is only used for adding and upgrading an existing account and not for new registration. Okay, so this is quite different from registering your new member, all right? Because if you will be registering your new member, you should be outside your or you should be logged out on your mobile app, okay? So you need to do this on the login page, all right? So I'll be teaching you that later on. So I will just show to you what you will see on your mobile app, okay? So new registration must be made on the login page and not in this section. All right, now let's go to the next icon, which is the switch icon. In the switch icon, what you will see here are these icons, all right? So it depends on how many accounts you have. If you don't have, or if you just have one account, so basically if you click on switch, it won't work, all right? So if you have one account, but if you have two or more accounts, so this is what you will see, all right? So this picture. So you will see your second account, your third account, your fourth and fifth, sixth and seventh, okay? So a maximum of seven. All right. So if you click on account summary, this is where you see the summary of your bonuses. All right. So instead of you clicking on each accounts, you don't have to do that because once you click on account summary, you will be able to see the summary of your bonuses. All right. From each account. All right. So for example, this one from Coach Hans's account, what you are seeing are his bonuses from his first account till the seventh account. All right. So that's the example. All right. So, and then if you will click on add account, so this is where you can simply, another option to add your account. All right. So you can click on this one to add an account. All right. Then if you want to check on your second account, so all you need to do is just to click on your second account. All right. If you click on your second account, of course, it will be prompted to another page and you will see the bonus of your second account. All right. So everything under your second account. So just don't be confused about, the number of accounts you have, because you will be able to see it at the top of the page, all right? So you will see it here. Okay, so you will see it here, there. So you know which account are you looking at, okay? So just to avoid the confusion, okay? All right. Then let's try to check on number three, okay? So on number three, so you will see another, different figure here, all right? So they have different number of figures or number of bonuses, all right? Because it really depends, right? It really depends on how many members you have from each account under each account. All right. So there. Okay. So I'm just clicking on each account. All right. So there. Okay. So basically, if you have multiple accounts, they don't have the same figures. All right. So it really depends on how many members you have per account. All right. So there. Okay, so let's go to the next icon, which is the bonus icon. Well, actually, for the bonus icon, for the bonus summary page, if you click on this one, so basically you will be able to see the summary of your bonuses, all right? So you can check on the bonus of the bonus summary, all right? This one, okay? So you'll be able to check on the summary of your bonuses, all right? Then if you want to check on the bonus for if you want to check the bonus for your direct referrals, you can click on this one. Okay. Then for entry unilevel, which are package unilevel, okay. So besides you earning from repeat purchases, you will also earn from repeat purchase or package purchases. Okay. So this is what you need to click if you want to check on it. Then pairing bonuses, right? This is the one. Infinity bonus, right? This is the one. Then unilevel, okay. So unilevel bonus, this is where you can see the bonuses from the repeat purchases of your members and your multiple accounts too. Finder's fee, well, usually this is for mobile stockists, all right, or mega center. If you have a member purchase a mobile stockist account, you'll be able to see a finder's fee there, all right. Then the MSS4, okay, so MSS4 is also for the mobile stockist members, all right. So you will be able to see here the bonus if you get 4 mobile stockist member directly under your account, all right? And you will see the bonus that will apply there, all right? So there, that's what you will see under the bonus summary page. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so let's go to this important icon, which is the network icon. Okay, why important, Coach Tim? Well, this is important because here under the network summary page, well, this is where you can see your unilevel list, your binary list, your binary graphical, and your binary points. Okay, so which is really vital. It's important, especially if you're doing the encoding. Okay, if you're doing the encoding, so basically you need to check this first before you register your new members. So you'll be able to see where you can position the new member. All right. Okay, so under unilevel list, well, basically, if you click on this one, you'll be able to see the members under your unilevel. Okay, so you'll be able to see your first level. Okay, for example, on this picture, you'll be able to see your who are your first level members, who are the second level members. All right, so and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's for the unilevel list. Then, okay, so there. All right, unilevel list page provides the list of members of your network by level. Okay. Then on the binary list, okay, for the binary list, this is, if you click on this one, this is what you will see here are the position of your members, all right, or of your accounts. So for example, here, since we're looking at the main account, which is the number one account, if you click on the binary list, you will see on the left position, all right, which is this one. Okay, the left position, you have the hand 02, okay? Then on the right position, okay, you will see the hand 03. And then on the left position again, the hand 04. On the right, okay, the hands 05 and so on, okay? So that's what you will see. Basically, what you will see here are the position, okay? The position of the accounts. So for the binary list page, it provides the list of members of your network by binary position. So it's left or right. Okay, next is the binary graph. Okay, for the binary graph, this is the actual. Okay, this is the actual view of your binary. So that here, for example, as you can see on the left, you will see the hand 02, hand 04, hand 05. Okay, so that's what we saw here earlier. All right, there. So on the left, it's the number 2, the number 4, and the number 6. All right. So this is the one. Okay, there. So on the right, okay, on the right you will see the number 3, the number 6, the number 7. Okay. So that's what you will see on the binary graphical. It provides the graphical view of the members of your team in a form of a network structure. Okay, next is the binary points. For the binary points, so these are the actual numbers of the members or the number of the accounts, okay, on your network. So for example, here, let's have an example. So for example, let's have an example here. Okay, for this one, it shows that total pairs today, it has 1 pair. Okay, so meaning for today, there was a member who encoded today, and the account made 1 pair for today. All right. Now here at below it, you see the left total. Okay, so left total, meaning that's the number of accounts, right? That's the number of accounts on the left. So there it shows here that there's 12,803 accounts on the left. And then on the right, yes, there on the right, you will see 21,389 accounts on the right, all right? So that's the actual number of accounts. Now here, um, for the points, left points, this is the number of points, all right? So as you know, we have points, or we are using point system for the packages. For example, the silver package is for 100 points, the gold package is for 200 points, and the platinum package is for 300 points, all right? So this is different from this, okay? So it's totally different. So here, okay, let me just remove it. Okay, so here, left points, it shows that there's a total of 1.2 million points. All right. And then on the right, there are 2.1 million points on the right. Okay. So this is a combination of silver packages, gold, and platinum. All right. Okay, so let's check this one. All right. So this is where you can see at the bottom, this is where you can see the available points. All right. So meaning, for example, here, left weighting is 300 points, and then right weighting is 873,000 points. All right. So this means that the right binary is the strong leg, or the strong side. Okay, so this is the strong side. So if someone from the left team encodes, or registers a new member, the account will get a pairing bonus. All right, so that means that if there's one member encoded on the left, this pairs today will move. All right, so it will one another will be added. Okay, so it will be added. So that's how you can check the number of points on your account using the binary points. All right. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, next. So the binary point summary page, it provides the quick view of the points and total accounts encoded under your network. All right. So let's say, for example, your sponsor asks you how many points you have on your left, how many points you have on your right. So at least you know what to tell them. Okay. So this is different. The points are different here. Okay. So if your sponsor asks how many accounts do you have on your left, this is the one that you need to answer. Okay. All right. But if he asks you how many points you have on your left, so this is the one. All right. So it's really different. Okay. All right. So just to clarify that. So, okay, let's move on. Okay. The next is the sales. All right. For the sales page, it records all unilevel maintenance done on a particular account. So meaning, if this is your first account, so we're looking at your first account, if you click on sales, this is where you can see these icons, all right? So you will see the encode product pin, all right? So for the encode product pin, this is where you can actually encode your pins from your repeat purchases. All right. So for now, we are encoding the unilevel points manually. Okay. So for now, all right. So we're doing it manually. So all you need to do is, actually, it's really easy. I'll teach you how on the next tutorial. All right. So for now, I'm just showing you the summary, or the general information about the mobile app. So it's really easy. So all you need to do is just to enter the code 1, the code 2 here, and that's it. Just click on encode product pin and done. All right. So it is where you can enter your unilevel codes from your repeat purchases. Okay. Then the sales history. So basically, it's just the history. Okay, where you can check if you have properly encoded, or if you have encoded for the month, if you maintained for the month, and so on. Okay. All right. Then this is the payout icon. It's one of the favorite part. All right. It's one of the favorite icon of the members. All right. So the payout icon. So the payout icon, or the payout page, if you click on this one, well, it's good news. Right. Okay. So payout icon. Once you click on this, you can click on requesting cash. Okay. If you click on requesting cash, so well, what you need to do is you need to check on your available balance first, all right? So you need to check on your current balance, okay? So for example, if your current wallet is 100,000, so this is automatic in pesos, all right? It's always in Philippine pesos figure, okay? So just ask your sponsor how to claim your bonuses if you're, if you're an international member. So we can do bank transfer, Western Union transfer, and so on. All you need to do is just to ask them how. But always remember that this is in peso value, okay? Or peso rate, okay? So the minimum request is 500 pesos. So all you need to do is just to enter the amount, all right? So if you want to max it out, well, all you need to do is just to enter the figures without the comma, all right? Without the period. Okay, so enter 100,000, then submit request. That's it. It's really easy, okay? So this is done every Monday, okay? Every Monday, Philippine time, all right? So you can ask your sponsor what to do, all right? How to do the encashment, okay? And then just click on submit request, right? Then check on the history. If you will check on the history, so this is where you can see if your request has been submitted, okay? So for example, there, you see the encashment request done. If it's done and it's Monday, what you will see is pending. The status will be pending here. So for this one, for this example, it shows that it was already processed since it's not an actual, a live account presentation. So I believe the request was already processed here. So if it shows processed, you cannot cancel this anymore. Okay, but if it's done on Monday, on our cutoff day, you can still cancel it. Let's say if you change your mind, if some members are still encoding and you already submitted the request, you can still cancel it. All right, but Tuesday, okay, Tuesday you won't be able to cancel it. All right. So there. Okay, so let's move on. Right. I love this icon. It's really inspiring. Okay, the payout page. All right. Next is the GC page. All right, the GC icon. The GC icon is just the same as the payout. Okay. For the GC icon, well, yeah, it's really the same. Okay, so basically, here you can request your GC there. So for the GC here in One Opti, if you see figures on your GC or balance on your GC, well, you can actually use that for product redemptions. Okay, so product redemption, any product, or for now, products are available in One Opti, so you can use it for Opti Juice, Opti Coffee, the Opti Choco. So products are in One Opti, all right, but it should be in the SRP price. So for example, you have a current balance of 5,000 pesos, and you want to redeem 10 Opti Juice, okay, 10 bottles of Opti Juice. So you need to put in 3,500 pesos, okay? So it should be in the SRP price, not the member's price. Then once you're done, click on submit, okay? Then for gadgets and appliances redemption, always seek for approval first before the redemption, all right? So ask your sponsor if you want to use your GC for appliances or product redemption or gadget redemption. All right. Okay, there. And the maximum amount for redemption is 50,000 pesos. Okay, there. So you can check on the GC history if it's processed. All right, there. As you can see, it was processed. All right. Then lastly, the profile icon. For the profile page icon, this is where you can edit or update your information. Okay. So for example, here for the update account, you can put in your nickname, your birthday, your civil status, your gender, and so on. Okay, but what you can't do is you can't change your legal name here. All right. If let's say if your legal name was spelled incorrectly, it needs to be done by the IT. All right. So your sponsor needs to submit a request for the name correction. All right. And there's a fee for that. Okay. So please make sure that you are entering the correct spelling of your members to avoid the hassle. Okay, so that's what you can't do. So basically, you need to make sure that your name or your member's name should be spelled correctly. All right, then bank account. So yes, I'm happy to tell you that you can enter your bank account as well. All right. For the bank account though, well, it's not yet fully processed, so it's not yet applicable. Okay, but you can, but please be ready. All right, because we're waiting for the approval here for bank transfers. Okay, so just be ready with that. Change password. All right. So change password. Well, for the newbies, please don't change your password yet. Okay, for the newbies, because your sponsor needs to, well, of course, help you. Do the encoding, do the registration of your members, and check on your binary. So don't change your password yet. Okay. But if you know how to encode, how to register your new members, and so on, well, yes, you can definitely change your password. Password. All right. Then you can also update your photo. You can put in your picture there. All right. And please make sure that you have a really nice picture, okay? And a formal picture. Okay. All right. So that's how the icons work here on your mobile app. All right. So I hope that this information helped you in our tutorial. Our next video is about registering your new members and adding accounts. All right. So if you're ready for this, you can definitely watch the next video for the registration and for adding new accounts. So thank you, and you have a great morning.